Speak.
Good evening. Good evening, sir, and my all dear friends. Myself, Jitsi Agarwal. Thank you for giving this opportunity. I am daughter of Mr. Bharat Agarwal, and I am a student of class 9th from Adarsh Saraswati Vidya Mandir, and I have passed class 8th from Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir from Kala with 95 marks. Yeah, this school is the best school in city town. There are many schools, but this is the best school in town. I think there are many top students in this school, and all students can be something. There, there are. I don't believe there are thousand students in this school, and Mr. Ashok Kukar is a high school principal. Principal has good manners of talking, and he is a math and Sanskrit teacher. He can teach properly, but he can solve all questions for students, and he is the best performer for Sanskrit. I am belong to middle class family. My family is a very loving and caring family. My father is a shopkeeper. My father name is Mr. Bharat Agarwal, and my mother name is Mrs. Sonu Agarwal. But it is my father's habit, but I can tell you. My first mother is not living in this world, but I can manage this time. My grandfather is patient of sugar, and my grandmother is a patient of BP, and I can check the BP all week every time. But he is control our illness, and my motto of life is I want to be doctor, and my hobby is helping. Helping is the best platform for student. All students can help others. Thanks.
Okay, so we are going to ask some questions because you speak well, and I think this is the best introduction according to me and according to all of you. So first, I am asking you. We may know about your hobby. What is your hobby?
My hobby is helping. Helping is the best for student.
Okay, that's good. And we may know your role model. Who is your role model?
My role model is Dr. Suresh Advani. He is a cancer specialist, and he is the best doctor in Mumbai.
Okay, so now we are asking about your future. So I think every student have futuristic things, goals. So I think you have also the future plan. So we may know what is your motto of life.
My motto of life, I want to be doctor.
Okay, that's
Doctor
good
is
thing.
the best for every.
In Corona time, we know the value of the
Doctor
doctor.
can help every.
Okay.
Corona time.
Doctor helps many people in this Corona time, so that's good thing. You should also be the doctor. If you want to know more about you, so first thing you want to know, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white and black. He is a symbol.
It is symbol.
Negative, black symbol to negative and bad things.
Okay, that's good. So now we may ask you, in which class are you studying?
I am a student of class 9th.
Okay, I think you are topper of the class.
Yes, I am topper of my class.
Okay, so that's good thing. You speak well and your interview was also